Welcome to the Distributor How-To video series, How to Create a Quotation. First, search for the product that you're looking for. Once you've found the product that you want to quote, you can either click the Add to Quote sheet or you can click on the product. On the product, there's an Add to Quote sheet button. Click the button and it'll add your product to the quote basket. Click Complete now. You then need to name your quotation. Once you've named your quotation, it will appear in the list. Click the Email Quote Sheet button and it will open up the quotation. You can now complete your quotation. You can edit any of the fields you want to, text or pricing. To see the selling price with the markup added, click the question mark. If you'd like to hide some pricing, untick the boxes. Once you're happy with all your pricing, save the changes. Check or edit the terms and conditions and scroll back up to the top of the page. Add your company logo, company header or company footer if you want, and add the details of the company that you're sending the quotation to. Once you've added all the details, you can preview the quotation or you can download the quotation onto your desktop. You can then save the quotation as a PDF or send it direct from SourcingMachine to your client. Thank you for watching.